In your Globe Smart Ambient Light box, you will find the Smart Ambient Light and your Quick Start Guide and information. Download the Globe Suite app from the App Store or Google Play on your mobile device and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or register. Power on the Smart Ambient Light by plugging it into a wall socket. The Smart Ambient Light will start flashing rapidly. If it does not, you can manually put it into pairing mode. Hold down the power button on the side of the product for 5 seconds. The device will start flashing. You are now ready to connect your device. Open the Globe Suite app. On the home screen, tap Add Device. The default scan connection method will automatically start. Allow the scan to complete to discover your smart devices. When prompted, confirm your Wi-Fi name and password. Wait a few moments for the smart products to connect. Once displayed, select your Smart Ambient Light from the list of available devices. Once your Smart Ambient Light is connected, you'll be ready to enjoy the wide range of features that the Ambient Light has to offer. On the Globe Suite homepage, select the Smart Ambient Light to access its controls. Tap On in the middle of your screen to turn on your light. Your Smart Ambient Light is equipped with motion detection. Press the eye icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. In the motion detection settings, press Enable. Once enabled, choose the color or scene and set the time for the light to stay on after motion is detected. You can also choose to set a schedule for the motion sensor to be active. Select From and To, then scroll through the dials to set the time for it to begin and end. Use the back button to return to the motion detection settings. Once customized, hit the back button to return to the ambient light controls. For quick access, you can also enable and disable the motion detection feature by tapping the eye icon on the upper right side of the screen. In the white panel, you can select your desired white lighting temperatures and brightness using the 2 sliders or the preset options. To switch the light from white to color, select the Color panel at the bottom of the screen. To access the color, saturation, and brightness sliders. Select the Mood panel at the bottom of your screen to access active lighting options. Customize the color group, saturation, brightness, and choose a transition. Tap Save at the bottom of your screen. To explore automatic lighting routines, choose Routine at the bottom of your screen. For evening routines that allow you to gradually fade out your light, enable the Bedtime routine. To customize your bedtime routine, tap the Edit button in the top right corner of the Routines card. Start by selecting the days of the week it applies to. Next, scroll through the Lights Fully On At dial to set the time your routine will begin. Then, set the duration of the Fade Out by tapping on the plus and minus icons. The last step is to select the color temperature and brightness that you want your ambient light to begin the bedtime routine with. Once the bedtime routine is set to your liking, tap Save at the bottom of your screen. Your smart ambient light will be on at 7 p.m. and fade out over the next 2 hours, allowing a warm light to put you to sleep. Use the option Add a New Schedule to create additional routines that fit your specific needs. Once you are finished customizing your ambient light settings, use the back button to return to your device list. Smart Scenes can be used to enable other lights to turn on when motion is detected on your smart ambient light. Tap Smart Scenes at the bottom of your screen. Select Automatic and tap the plus sign at the top right corner of your screen to add a new scene. Set your desired conditions and choose devices to activate alongside your ambient light. Once finalized, your smart scene will automatically enable chosen devices to activate alongside your ambient light as desired. Connect your ambient light with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within Smart Scenes. To pair your ambient light, go to your profile and then tap Integration. In the Integration panel, select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to and connect your account to the Globe Suite app.